Sure. I have to tell you something.
What is it?
You're made of paper.
Alright, contestants, today's challenge is to kill each other.
Oh no, I could never kill one of my fellow contestants.
I am beyond furious. Oh no! Help me, Tyre! Oh my god, Tyre! She's making me help me! Well, at least the lawnmower's still alive. I actually died about 5 minutes ago and then got recovered. I guess you could say mechanical pencils mowing our team down. Bazinga! Not funny.
Perhaps if we enrage Donovan, that will give him the strength to decimate all the other teams, preferably the outcasts, as they only have one member.
But I could never make one of my idols mad.
Well, if you refuse to do it, then you'll just be eliminated. Hey Donovan, File told me that if you keep talking, your head will inflate and pop like a balloon.
Oh hey, Donovan. Hey Tesla Coil, could you revive Shoebox, Finish Line, and Tyre since our entire team is dead? File isn't dead. Wait, we didn't lose? I think this calls for a victory celebration. Hit it, Finish Line!
Hi, it's me, Spec. I've infiltrated your body, and I've planted a bomb that will explode in 5 seconds.
Oh my aloe vera. I can't believe I managed to fake my death.
Whee!
What the? Oh my god, if there's only 3 of us left, we're gonna lose the challenge and we're gonna all die, and then I'm gonna get eliminated for doing basically nothing this episode. Oh my gosh. Wait, where is Gift? Dun, 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 dun. Yikes. Choose the member of Team Glacier, actually, that you want to leave the show. Whoever gets the most votes will leave forever.